You bought a new car. You think it's safe. You think nothing can go wrong. You're wrong. Most new cars are damaged long before the warranty ends, and almost nobody notices. Never ignore the break-in period. The first 1,000 miles shape your engine forever. No full throttle, no hard acceleration, no constant speed for hours. This is when every moving part learns to work together. Don't wait too long for the first oil change. Fresh engines create tiny metal particles. Clean oil removes them. Dirty oil lets them circulate. That's silent damage. Check your tire pressure every month, even on a new car. Low pressure destroys tires, hurts fuel economy, and reduces control. Never ignore warning lights. A tiny icon can become a massive repair bill. Modern cars always give a warning first. Listen to them. Wash your car, especially underneath. Road salt, mud, and moisture quietly destroy metal. Rust never sleeps. Don't drive until the fuel tank is empty. The fuel pump uses gasoline to stay cool. Run too low too often, and you're shortening its life. Open the hood once a month. Check oil, coolant, brake fluid. Look for leaks. 5 minutes today can save thousands tomorrow. Your new car will only stay new if you treat it that way. Maintenance always costs less than repairs. Follow for simple tips that keep your car alive.